Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make beetroot-carrot smoothie. So let's get started. To make this, first we need a mixing jar. Now we need a beetroot or chucandar. Peel it and cut it roughly. Then we need carrot or gajar. Peel it also and chop it roughly. Then add a tomato. Cut it roughly also. Now I am adding an apple. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I post new videos every week. Now I am adding ginger or adrak. Adding a cup of or 200 ml of water. Cover the lid and time to blend it. Now pour it into a jar. If you want, you can add a little bit of black salt in it. But I personally prefer it to have simple. So yeah, I'm going to taste it right now. By the way, you can use it as a face pack too. Now time to taste it. It's yummy. Let's finish it. I hope you love the video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.